What's up guys, Dan here from Rockville, and today we're going to do the unboxing of the RMM-XLR professional dynamic microphone. Let's check it out. Alright, so it's actually a case inside this box. It's a nice snug fit. Alright, so on one side we have our Rockville warranty and our XLR cable. And on the other side is our Rockville microphone. Alright, so this has a really nice heavy feel to it. It has a nice sleek design. There's this blue ring right on top of the microphone. On the bottom there's a silver design. It's actually imprinted. It says dynamic microphone on it. Got a nice Rockville logo on the side here. Alright, so that was the unboxing of the RMM-XLR. To get your hands on your very own, just click on the links below.